Welcome to how to edit video in iMovie and iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to edit video in iMovie and iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do here is go into this iMovie app, and then basically what you're gonna have to do is to make a new project. Here you will tap on movie, and then you will select any video from here. So basically I will select this video, and then you will basically tap on select. Okay, sorry, deselect, and you will tap on create movie, and now your editor is loaded. So there are like couple of different options here that you can use. So if we wanted to basically cut the video here, you can basically tap on cut, split here, then from here again tap on split. Now if you wanted to remove this part, tap on it and tap on basically delete. And now if you want to add the transition, tap on this option here, and we have some built-in transitions here. Okay, so now if we play it, you can see that we have some built-in transitions. Okay, so there are not much options here. Then you wanted to add text, you can simply tap on text here, and you can just add some text here. Tap on the text, tap on edit, and tap on high. And then if you wanted to add filters, you can add filters as well. So there is like very limited options that we can do. After you've done, tap on done, and now your video is done. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.